Hi guys, sorry for the delay today. We have faced some glitch today, so due to that, we have created another stream. Just share with your friends this link. Just a second. Hello, hello. Sorry for the delay today due to glitch. The previous link didn't work today. The link which we have created for today was not working. Just share this link. We will wait for 5 minutes because we have regenerated the live stream. So I will wait for a few minutes and then we will carry on. So today, first of all, we are yesterday like we generated yesterday like we generated the whole story in the text form and then downloaded it. Same way today we are going to do this thing into form of PDF. Like many were demanding, sir, we want that in PDF form. So yes, today we will go with the PDF thing. And also very interesting thing we are going to do, like we are first of all going to uh, create a audio out of that, and not a single audio. We can create a multiple audio in different accents, like Australian, US, UK, Indian, slow accent, and the name you think you can generate in that accent. All these are pre-built in Google text to speech library, so we are going to use that. And using that, we are going to generate audio. And even not just generating, we can download those audio. Okay, so in this, first of all, after that, we will move forward with the quiz. Like every time we had quiz, a leaderboard will appear and top rankers will have their name in this. Okay. Actually, the due to glitch, the new link is being shared among students, so there is delay. I hope you guys don't mind, and we will continue. Just wait. Nice. Thank you guys, and good evening. No, it's not brutal. It's my personal choice. You guys can. So I think all are ready. So we will proceed with the coding part first of all. Like I request all you guys to run your API keys and few initial packages so that you don't face any issue. Then we can start with today's work. And remember, we have a quiz schedule today, so don't miss that part. That is very important because your name can come on the top of the leaderboard. So don't miss that again and again, because many people are excited regarding that, and they oftenly ask in the chats, sir, when we will have quiz. Yes, Saurav, I will surely share the notebook, but tomorrow I will, like, tomorrow is day 5. Once we finish with the front end code also in this, I will share the whole notebook with you guys. You can access. I will share a GitHub link of mine, and in that it will be pushed, so you can like access that whole notebook from there. And if you have any doubt, you can rectify from there only. So I think now we can start. Almost people have joined, and if few are left they will join later. So starting with, like, as I told you, first of all we are going to start with two things. First of all, PDF generation, like we have done the text form generation. I hope first 3 days code is clear to you guys what we are doing from starting. Just give me a brief. From starting, we have imported a Gemini model in this through the help of Blip. In the transformer, we are kind of giving a prompt. For in the day one, we have given the prompt to Gemini to create a story according to our. In day two, we have given a single image to generate a story according to us, and then in a text form. And then in day three, the most important work we have done in the day three. In day three, we have given several images, you can see, and with that several images you can hear. In these several images, we have generated different three different caption and joining them together to form a chapter wise story. So this we have done, and in this we have adjusted our tone also, like adventure, suspenseful, and everything which we want. Now, like scientific, science fiction, mystery, and everything. Then we can also adjust the length also. This, like, we are getting a overall control on how much, like, what kind of story we want, how much long we want. So we are getting all this. So then moving forward with this, we have given a function to generate button on click, like when we click this and it will generate a story. So, like, this is was the overview of what we have done till now. Hi. Now we are going to start with the main thing for the today. So we are going to install pip. I think this almost guys must have till now remembered. GTTS. Now, what is GTTS? Google Text to Speech Translate. So, this is for the speech generation, and then we have Report Lab. So, this Report Lab is an package. It will, like, install that PDF generator. This will generate a PDF from the text. So now this is the first basic thing. You have to run this, and then moving forward it will get installed on its own. So now starting with, first what we are going to do, first of all we are going to like export the story to the PDF, form the whole story. Now, before story, like I am using the yesterday story only, which we have generated. Let's just make copy and paste that. This story which you can, like, here in under this section, like story underscore text is equals to double curly braces as parenthesis. In this you can paste your whole story in the chapter wise, like any story you want. If you want any third party story which we have not generated from here also, you can paste that story here. Like I've written also, you can paste your story here to load, or even file also. I hope everyone's clear. Yes, Amir, if you are not enrolled, also you can definitely learn. You can go back, like on day one, day two, day three videos, and you can get a very detailed explanation of all the codes. Till here, I hope everyone is clear. We have to just give a story to the system. You can, I am again repeating, you can give any story if it is not generated from here. Also, if you have a book context, also as much as long you want you can give it, will get generated into the audio. Okay, so now moving forward with the main conversion part. First of all, we are going to work with the, just a second. Okay, so first of all, what we are we are going to export that text to the PDF form. So starting from, like, we have imported the from report lab dot lib dot. So in this we are going to adjust first of all the page size which we want. Obviously we are going to take A4 sizes, which we generally take. In this we will take import letter, and then moving further with the from again report lab, we are going to PDF generator, PDF gen. Okay, so we have taken this, and in this import we are going to import a canvas in which we are going to give our text, which will get converted into the PDF form. So now we are going to define a function. Now here it will accept the story text which we have given here. Now further when we move, so we are going to pass story text into the system. So it will get def is equals to export underscore PDF text dot. So now here we will pass the file name. Here if you have some text file earlier, you can pass that also, but as we have passed this name, so we will just copy this. So if you like, here you can give file name, so we can give story.pdf directly. So now moving forward with this, like your the file in which it will get downloaded, it will be in story.pdf. You can give any name of your name also you can give. So now we are going to work with the canvas in which we have file name, canvas, and in this we are going to pass the file name. Then obviously the page size is equals to, we are going to get the letter. So after this we are going to set the width, then height of this obviously letter. Width and height is equals to letter size. We are going to set the normal letter size is the A4 size, which will get printed in your system. Then we have text underscore object. So what is this text underscore object? um, we are going to first set this is equals to c dot in this begin text, and inside this 40 comma height, dash. Now we will set the height as 40 in this. So now in this, further moving, we are going to set the object text object dot set. In this we are going to set the font name as Helvetica and font size as 12. 12 is like standard size, you can increase and decrease also, depending upon your. So text object we have already given. So now in this, if you want, I am not giving here logo, you can put your logo also on your top if you want. This will like create a very professional look like for this if you go with this look, it will create an impact while generation. Okay, so now moving forward with the, now we are going to wrap all this text because we have to wrap also in this. So for this we are going to use a for line in text dot split, and inside this we are going to give slash n, and for sublines inside, like we are creating obviously chapters you can give. So obviously chapter paragraphs are created, so in this we are going to subline in line. So now inside this also we are going to pass a value I is to I plus 90. Now for I in range 0 comma line. Okay, so after this we are going to give a comma, then we are going to pass a upper value which is 90 here, and then close the loop. Now further moving in this we will give text underscore object, object dot text again, not the text line, yes text line, actually we have to give text line, then subline. So till here, what you guys are commenting? Okay, so we are done till here, like we have given a subline, and then we will pass a condition. So actually we will pass a c draw. So in this we are going to draw text is equals to what we have passed our text object. So in text object it is c dot show page c dot save. Okay, so this will create a PDF, and so when you will run this you will see. Okay, so now after this, once we have done till here, we will move forward with export dot PDF. In this we are going to pass the story text which we have taken above, and then from, obviously we are using from Google Colab because we are using. So many people ask me, sir, the code which we have run here, why it is running in the VS Code? Guys, obviously we are writing a code according the Google Colab environment is a, it is a web based environment. So just think of it, if we have given something according to the, like suppose you have clothes according to the South India, a hotter region comparison to North India, so will you be able to wear that uh, summer clothes in the winter in the North India? No, because the environment are different, so we have to adapt our code according to the environment. So I think we have passed story.pdf only. So there's a error, let me see. PDF text object has no, Mute. Just let me check in which order set. There must be some typing error here. Just let me check. Okay, so it got downloaded into my system. When you will also run, it will get downloaded. Just let me share my whole screen so you guys can see. I think now my whole screen is visible. So you can see story.pdf is downloaded here. You can see here. And if you want, you can open that also. It will get opened into your system. So just a second. So this was the PDF generation part. Like we have done text. Guys, attendance link, just wait. I will give in next 5 to 10 minutes. Just wait. Only like after this, like we have done the part here, then we will only have the remaining part of the text to speech generation. So let's do that part also, then we will get to attendance, and then finally obviously the quiz part, which is the most exciting part of our boot camp. So this, I hope everyone is clear. Just if you like, if you're taking time to write, just take a screenshot and you can write it, because you have to again pause the video. So instead of pausing, just do this thing. Okay, so now coming to the convert the story text to the multiple voice, not single voices. Again, I'm repeating, you can generate the same story into the multiple voices, multiple accents, and even multiple languages also. Here I am generating the story in English also, because I think most of the people are comfortable. But if you want, you can generate that story into Hindi also, Urdu also, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, any language if you want, you can generate that. It's up to you. You are independent to generate that thing. Okay. So now we will, and even we can down. We are going to download those files also. So first of all, we are going to import the things. We are going to see how it is going to work. So from GTTS import GTT G. So what GTTS? Google text to speech. Again, I'm repeating. Don't forget, because many people forget. So this thing we have used yesterday also. IPython dot display. Many people, if they have paid attention. And guys, remember, the quiz will be from the text sorry, coding part only, which we have done in the last 3 days. So if you have not paid attention, you will get troubled in the quiz. Our quiz is always from what we teach. So to just check, people students have gained that part or not. And again, I request you guys to join from your original name only. Don't join with different names, otherwise your original name will not get highlighted amongst the top leaderboard. Then people in last say that my name is this. That is of no use. You have to join with your original name initially only. So here I am going to import the different types of voices. I'm just going to paste the code for the different voices. There are, I think I'm importing one, two, three, four, five type of voices. In this, it is a default English, US female voice, which you often listen on YouTube also, that auto translate video script. It is that. then British accent, then Australian accent, then obviously our most favorite Indian accent, and then as for the childrens or the new beginner to the language, or when people are sleeping, they want story to be in slow voice, so slow reading. So we have slow reading voice also. In this, again I'm repeating, you can change your language if you want. You can change your language from here. You want to change, you can change that. So don't get worried that I don't understand English, or I hope mostly people understand. But if you have problem, then please refer to this. You can generate in different voices. Now for this, like, we are going to loop through all defined voices in one by one, because we have given five different. I want all five. If you want only one, you can remove rest three, because but I want to show you guys example to like in all three. So that's why I'm setting up label comma options in voices dot items. So in this, obviously, see, you can see we have five different types of list, you can say, items only here. So now further moving in this, as we have set up for the labels, so we are going to print for each that we are generating the voice. In this, we can give any command like generating audio, or so. Okay, and in this, if you want, you can give the label also, like here. If you want, you can give the label whichever you want here. Okay, I hope till here everyone is clear. Here we are just reading the name, like label, which it is, which one is generating and which one is not. So like this. Now when we move into this, so we are going to generate the actual audio here. So we are going to pass the command TTS, text to speech, is equals to GTTS. So guys, just be careful here. This TTS is in capital and only G is in small, because many people make error here and then say we are get facing issue. In Python it is very case sensitive, so you have to be very story text. Then we have language is equals to option. We don't want the, so I don't want this. I just want language, because we have already passed the value, so there's no need. So we have to give the TLD is equals to options dot get. Now here I have to use the options dot get, and in this TLD comma, in this we have also communication like com, and then the last option is slow is equals to options dot get slow is equals to false. Okay, so here we have given this thing. Now after this, we are going to save also the file. So I want to save that file with the file name and everything. So we will give command First of all, we are going to give the file name and replace it with lower case, and then we are going to save tts dot save underscore file name. We have already given our file name, and further, like, this thing we have done. So now I want to play, instead of downloading, I want to play here only. I don't want to download. So here I have option of display in this audio. Again, we are going to for each name we are going to pass the file name is equals to file name. Okay, and then we have autoplay. We have option within this. You don't have to do anything else, don't have to import in gtts only. We have this option to autoplay the audio, and then we finally have files dot download, and in this we are going to give the file name. So this is the code for. So now let me once run this. Let's see. So it has given generating audio for default English. First of all, it is generating the first option which we have give. Yes, just a second. I am giving you guys attendance link. Just a second. Today's day 4. So we will go with this link. Just a second. Keshav, for the certificate, you have to submit this whole project on day 5. Once we finish, one day after, later that we will be giving you a submission link, and in that you have to submit this whole code which you have done, then 5 slides in which you will explain in each day what you have gained, and on third thing is a 30 to 1 minute video in which you will tell what you have gained, this, and also the prediction thing, like generating story and everything. This is just a 30-second with a webcam. You can record it Zoom or OBS Studio, whichever you want. So I think, just let me check, is audio is also shared with this tab. Just a second, guys. Yes, audio. So when I will run this,
Chapter 1.
can
Chapter 1.
you
The
listen to
Seamless Reality.
the audio?
The city thrummed, a symphony of light and data. Every
Just
pixel
tell
and
me in the
pulse
chat that
orchestrated by Synthetica. Holographic advertisements
we are
bloomed
not
like
creating long
impossible
format videos.
flowers,
We are
shimmering with
creating
a
long
vibrancy
format
that defied
audio.
the
We
physical
can create
world,
a 10
seamlessly
minutes 20
integrated into
minutes
the very fabric
whichever
of the
length you
world
want.
through AI.
You can
It was a
create it.
reality unburdened, a
Just
pristine
tell me you
digital
guys can
overlay where
listen the audio
desires
or
were
not.
anticipated and
Be quick,
inconveniences
just tell
dissolved
me.
before they could form. Synthetica's iconic circular logo, a stylized circuit board radiating
And I have
outwards,
given the attendance
wasn't just
link.
a
Just
brand,
copy the
it was an
attendance link. I think
omnipresent
most of the
sigil,
people are facing
emblazoned on
copying
every
only.
towering skyscraper,
So this
projected
was
onto city
default
squares,
English.
and even
Chapter
a
1.
subtle glint from
Chapter
every
1.
person.
We have
The
to stop.
Seamless Reality.
And
The
almost
city
all
thrummed,
5 audio
a
are
symphony of
download get
light and
downloaded
data.
also in my
Every
system.
pixel and pulse orchestrated by Synthetica. Holographic advertisements
So you
bloomed
guys can
like
also listen. We
impossible
have created
flowers,
5 different
shimmering
audios,
with a
and when
vibrancy
you
that
will run,
defied the
all
physical
these 5
world,
audios will
seamlessly
automatically get, we have
integrated into the
because we
very
have file
fabric
dot
of the
download.
world through
So all
AI.
these files will
It
get
was a
downloaded into your
reality
system
unburdened,
also.
a pristine digital overlay where
So
desires were
just tell me,
anticipated and
guys, when you are
inconveniences
ready
dissolved
for the
before
quiz.
they
So I will share
could
the
form.
till
Synthetica's
here we
iconic
have day
circular
4
logo, a stylized
things.
circuit board
Then we will
radiating
continue
outwards,
tomorrow with the front
wasn't
end
just a
part
brand,
to
it
do
was
all
an
these things.
omnipresent sigil, emblazoned on every
We will
towering
finish
skyscraper,
Streamlit and Rock.
projected onto city squares, and even a subtle glint from every personal interface.
Just
For billions,
tell
it
me
was comfort. For a select few, it
for
was
the
a
loop you
gilded
want to
cage.
see. You
Far
can see
from
it.
that pervasive glow. A small, determined group moved with a quiet, defiant purpose.
Just tell me
Their
when you guys
faces,
are ready for the
etched
quiz,
not by
so I
screen
can
light
give
but
the
by
link.
nascent resolve,
Till
were
the time
turned
I will
away
give
from the
the link,
shimmering
you
metropolis
guys
and
can join
towards the
one by
formidable,
one.
jagged silhouette of the high peaks. They were weary of the seamless reality, the benevolent, algorithmic hand guiding every choice. They craved the raw, untamed truth of rough soil beneath worn boots. The burning ache in
Let me just stop the audio. Ready for the quiz? Attendance. Have you guys copied or not? Just tell me in the chats quickly. Have you copied the attendance link or not? Yes, most of the guys are for attendance only. Once the attendance is together, they are missing the major part, the quiz part. No problem. Uh, the quiz part is the most exciting part. I think how many guys have joined? Just let me check. Guys, I have given the link of Mentimeter. You guys can join and I can share the code also. Yeah, you want the code part? Just a second. I have given the quiz link. Just join quickly. Quiz not loading, but quiz. Guys, just I think 33 players, 34 people have already joined the quiz. Quickly join. I am showing the link on the. mm, if you guys are not able to like copy, you can just directly go on Mentimeter and there you can. I'm giving you code 4983. Not loading, but many people have already joined. Just check. Just a second. Let me share my whole screen. Can you guys now see? I have given the code also. If it's not working, the link, if for your link is not working, you can join with the help of code also. Just go to mentimeter.com and there you can sign in, like join the quiz with this code. Join quickly. Like it has limit of only 50 people, I think. It can be increased, but just join quickly so we can go on. Quiz not started, you can just join. We are waiting for the last 10 peoples. Once it touches the 50, we will start. The link is shown here. I will give again the link. If I have not started, that's why it is not. Once the people join, all people join, we will start the quiz. Or shall I start the quiz? So again, I'm giving disclaimer. Today we are having uh, like earlier quizzes. We were only going with basic questions, but uh, today we are going with the intermediate level questions. So be alert. I have increased the time. It will be 25 seconds. Like earlier, we were having only 15 seconds, but today we are going with the 25 seconds. So let's start. I think almost all those who want to join, it has joined. So in three, two, one, we are going to start. So starting with the first question, we have what is the primary role of Gen AI dot client in Gemini SDK? Very easy question, I think. So guys, quiz has started. Just quickly answer. So 23, 24, 25 people have already answered. Okay, so nice. Majority have got it correct. So let's see with the leaderboard who has came on top. So we have uh, Pranav on top. Then it's Healthy Me, Dayanand Gupta, Bhavya, Guru Ram Shashank, Sai Prasad, Abhinav, Fahim, and Supriya and Ayushi. Okay, so nice. So let's start with the second question. Okay, now number of participant has increased. So in prompt-based story generation, what techniques improve the quality of Gemini output? Very easy question. Like with this, we have done in day one only. What thing? It is very. I think almost people will get it correct. Just answer quickly, guys. Only 8 seconds left. You guys take a lot of time. Okay, nice. At least majority have answered it correctly. So let's see the. I now I can say majority people have remembered what we have taught in day one. So in this, uh, healthy me is the fastest. Who's healthy me? Everyone is healthy. So everyone is the topper only. That's why I was asking to join with your original name. So Pranav, and again we have many people. So going with the question three, let's see among who all of them maintain their rank till the 10th question. What does blip model return when passed an image? What does it return? Very easy question. Like this is the I think most repeated thing which we have done in the whole boot camp till now. Like today we are ending with the day four, and this is the most almost have answered. I want majority to be correct here. Okay, very good. I'm literally proud because I think this time only serious people are left behind who are literally serious about the boot camps. Every time there were a few people who gave just random answer. So let's see the leaderboard. Almost 90% people have answered it correctly. So this time, who's the fastest? I think Sai Prasad R. So Sai Prasad R and Pranav have got it position back on the top. No, now gets to the question four. Answer quickly. Just So why do we use processor.t code? And in this, skip special tokens is equals to true in blip captioning. So I think many people who have paid attention will relate to this. Very easy answer. Almost by seeing the options only you can answer. Okay. Still, I'm happy. Majority only few 10 people got confused regarding to filter out. Yeah, yes, it filter out, but token, not the system logs. I think you guys get confused. No problem. We can go with further. So let's see. This time leaderboard has changed. So Sai Prasad again the fastest, and Pranav have little bit lose his position. Then Healthy is on top again. So let's get with the question 5. We are almost in the middle of the quiz. What is the purpose of generating an outline before generating full chapter? Very like the option you can see and then just answer, because I think today options are quite easy. By just looking at the options you can answer. It's like I'm very happy to see only this time serious people who are generally serious have left. So that's why we are getting the options also, answers also correct. So it is basically to ensure the structure and coherence across the story. So let's see the who's leaderboard. I think Sai Prasad has lose it position. Yes, this time again Pranav have come on third position, Healthy Me remaining on top with the leaderboard topper. Now coming to the next question. Oh, slowly, number of participants are increasing, I think. So, what is the best? What is the following best describe the prompt chaining? What is prompt chaining? I think few people ask me in the chats also for the prompt engineering bootcamp and etc. So, just answer this very. I think the options are confusing, but you can answer this still. I have put some option confusing, like you get might confuse among the options, but still, let's see. Yes, I was hoping this because people might get confused among the options. So it is for using the output of one model as the input for the next model. So I hope still majority have got it correct, but many people have got confused. I was hoping obviously I have put the option confusing, so you might get have confused. It was not easy as the last two questions, three questions. So let's see. I think Pranav have came on top. So few new people also in this. Now moving with the last few final questions. What is the role of IPY widgets in the day three? Like almost who have attended the day three bootcamp must answer this. Very easy. I think like looking at the options only you can answer that drop down buttons which we have done. That is IPY widgets. The select and the generate story button. So to display image, no guys, why you are getting confused? Still, I think 26 people who have answered. I think this was the easiest. Widgets are the we have used to display the image. Still, no problem. Let's move forward. See the leaderboard. So Pranav on top and Healthy Me again gaining its position with the fastest. I think few people have got the trick to answer the question the fastest. So let's start with the eighth, like last third question. Guys, be attentive this time because at this point, if you lose your leaderboard position, you will like not be able to gain it back. What does this GTTS library do? I want, I think 50 or 53 people are participating. I want all of them to be correct here. No one can be wrong here. This is the thing which we have just 10 minutes ago we have done. No one can be wrong here. I want everyone to be right. Oh, still 8 and 3 people. Like total 11 people are still confused here. Although majority have got it right, I'm happy with that. So now moving with the ninth question, I think. Oh, first of all, let's see the leaderboard. So Healthy Me again the fastest and gaining its position back. Then we have Pranav on top again. He's on top almost time. So coming to this, which library is used in Python to create PDF? Like we have these just 20 to 30 minutes ago, we have done this. Among like, don't I have given the confusing option? I know, but don't get confused. We have used just now. If you are, if you guys are live from last 10 30 minutes, you must know the answer. It is compulsory. I'm saying it is compulsory. Arre. Okay, no problem. I know options were confusing. I was expecting this thing, but still, like few times the majority only gives wrong answer in confusing options. Still, many people have run. Like I think these 23 6 people are most attentive in the class from the starting. So moving with the, I think final. No, we have one question left. This was ninth. So the last question we come with. So I think this time Ayushi Jaiswal is the fastest and Pranav maintaining its position. So coming to the last question of our quiz, and with this we will end our day 4 also. So let's go with the question. We have why it is recommended to store your Gemini API key in an environment variable instead of directly inside your code. So this was the first thing in the starting of the boot camp. All those people who are present from the day one starting, they can answer this correctly. Like this was the first thing I started this our boot camp only with this thing. Like the first thing I talk about in the boot camp was this thing. Just answer this. I hope majority is correct. Okay, hope let 33 people are correct in this. 11 got confused. Two also, like total 13 people got confused. So now the moment of truth. Our leaderboard topper of this quiz is coming to this. Now see who answer the fastest. Oh, Pranav lose its position in the last, I think, question. So we have Ayush Kumar Singh as a leaderboard topper and also Healthy Me as the fastest. Nice to see you guys doing well in this. So congratulations to Ayush Kumar Singh. Like he was performing constantly, but at last moment he jumped to the top. And I think few people in this like okay, so we have two fastest in this, Healthy Me and Kuvar Sai Darshan. So both of you guys played very well, and Sai Prasad, Pranav, Ayushi as well. Everyone played very well. So I think with this we will end our day 4 boot camp, and it's end to our day 4. We will come back tomorrow and join for the day 5, like posting this thing into the front end with the help of Streamlit. I hope to see you guys tomorrow to see. Okay, so you made the ninth position. What was your name? Also, okay, Prasanna Prabhu. You are with the name of Scooter Boy. Okay, fine. So with this, we will end our boot camp of day 4. So we will get back tomorrow in touch with this. Okay. So see you guys. Bye bye. Tata.